What's good, YouTube? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the best photo editing apps for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Photo editing has become such a large part of how we use our phones and share our lives. So whether you're fine-tuning a professional shot or creating the perfect Instagram post, or just adding a little personality to your everyday pictures, a good photo editing app can completely transform the way your photos look and feel. And finding the perfect app isn't easy. Some are packed with tools that might feel overwhelming to you. Others are a lot more simple but don't have the features you need. And then of course there's the cost. Not everyone wants to pay for premium photo editing software. So this is where this video will come in. Today we're going to be talking about the top 3 free photo editing apps for your S24 Ultra. These are powerful apps that offer a range of tools, all without costing you a cent. So whether you're a beginner, a social media pro, or someone passionate about photography, there's an app here for you. First up, we have Snapseed, a favorite among photographers and editing enthusiasts. Developed by Google, Snapseed is packed with professional-grade tools that you would expect from a premium app. Whether you need to tweak brightness, adjust colors, or remove blemishes, Snapseed has you covered. One of its standout features is the Selective Adjust tool. This lets you pinpoint specific areas in your photo to adjust things like contrast or saturation, giving you incredible control over your edits. It also supports RAW photo editing, which is a huge plus for anyone working with high-quality images. But don't let the advanced tools scare you. Snapseed is super intuitive. You can use pre-made filters for quick fixes or dive into more detailed edits. It's perfect for both beginners who want to experiment and pros who need a reliable editing app on the go. It also has several other popular features, such as Healing Tool, which allows you to erase unwanted objects with just a few taps. This is great for cleaning up portraits, removing blemishes, or getting rid of clutter in your landscape shots. It also has a pretty robust filters that you can control, as Snapseed's filters aren't your typical one-click fixes. Instead, they're designed to enhance your photo subtly by giving you control over the intensity. You can choose from vintage filters to more modern ones, and you can tweak each filter to fit your style perfectly. They also have other features such as text and frames if you want to personalize your photos a little bit further. Snapseed has these tools and even stylized effects that you can give your images a little bit of a creative edge. One of the best things about Snapseed is its interface. While the app is packed with professional-grade tools, it doesn't feel overwhelming. Everything is organized into simple menus and sliders for adjustments, which are easy to control. For beginners, the app is approachable enough to get started with basic edits like cropping, brightness, and contrast. But if you're more advanced, tools like curve, white balance, and grainy film let you go much deeper into fine-tuning your shots. Snapseed also has a non-destructive editing workflow, which means that you can make changes to your photo and go back to tweak them later on. So just based on this spectrum of features and ease of use, Snapseed really does work for photo enthusiasts all the way up to beginners. So if you want professional level control but don't want to carry a laptop around, Snapseed certainly does fulfill some of that. And for beginners who want a free app to grow with, Snapseed's intuitive interface makes it really easy to start small and build your skills over time. So if you're any of these types of creators and you want your photo to stand out, then Snapseed is a must-have tool in your editing arsenal. And of course, the best part is Snapseed is 100% free. No paywalls, ads, or subscription tiers. It's just a fully featured app ready to elevate your photo game. So whether you're tweaking lighting, experimenting with filters, or editing raw files on the go, Snapseed is one of the best apps out there to make your photos truly shine. Next up, we'll talk about Lightroom Mobile, a name that probably rings a bell with you if you heard of Adobe Lightroom on desktop. Lightroom Mobile takes the same powerful tools that professionals swear by and adapts them for your phone. It's a sleek, smart, and perfect for creators who want to take their photo editing to the next level while staying on the go. So let's break down exactly what makes Lightroom Mobile a standout option. Professional grade editing tools. Lightroom Mobile gives you access to the same kind of tools that professionals will use themselves. You can, in detail, adjust exposure, contrast, highlights, shadow, saturation, and much more using precision sliders. It also includes advanced tools like curves and color grading, which lets you fine-tune colors, tones, and lighting for that polished, cinematic look. For those that like to shoot in RAW, Lightroom Mobile handles RAW files with ease, letting you edit without compromising the image quality. It also has a lot of presets for instant edits. These can be a game changer, and Lightroom is famous for them. They allow you to apply ready-made filters to your photos in a single tap. And what's even better is that Lightroom lets you create your own presets pretty easily as well. If you're editing a set of photos, like for a cohesive Instagram feed, then you can save your settings as a custom preset and apply it to every photo for a consistent aesthetic. There's also a huge community of creators who share free and paid presets, so you'll never run out of inspiration. You can also make selective edits and masking. Much like Snapseed, Lightroom Mobile lets you target specific areas of your photo for edits, whether you want to brighten just one part of your image, fix shadowy areas, or enhance certain colors. Tools like selective brush and linear gradients give you the control to edit where it matters. Masking tools are perfect for highlighting your subject or creating subtle lighting effects, taking your edits to a professional level. It also has AI-powered tools. Adobe is leading the way with smart AI-powered features in Lightroom Mobile. For instance, Auto Edit tool enables Adobe's Sensei AI to instantly analyze your photos and apply adjustments like brightness, contrast, and also color correction. And while it won't replace manual edits, it's a great way to kickstart your workflow and to see a before and after with just one tap. You can also sync across devices, so if you're already in the Adobe ecosystem, Lightroom Mobile seamlessly syncs with your Lightroom library across devices. Edit on your phone, pick up where you left off on your tablet, or even fine-tune on your desktop. These are all options and a huge plus for creators who switch between devices. So in terms of ease of use, Lightroom Mobile strikes the perfect balance between feature-rich, professional-grade, and user-friendly. The interface is clean, modern, and easy to navigate, even if you're new to photo editing. For beginners, tools like presets and auto edit make it simple to enhance your photos instantly. You don't need to know every tool right away to see great results. For intermediate and advanced users, Lightroom Mobile offers enough depth to grow with your editing skills. Tools like curves, color mixer, and selective editing give you the controls you need to create professional-looking edits. Lightroom Mobile is perfect for creators who want clean, professional results with minimal fuss. It's ideal for content creators and influencers that have a personal brand on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, as Lightroom will help you create a polished, consistent aesthetic with ease. It's also very good for photographers. Whether you're an amateur or a pro, Lightroom Mobile's raw editing tools and precise adjustments make it a top choice for enhancing your apps on the go. Lightroom Mobile is free to download, and the core features are more than enough and also free for most people. However, if you want access to premium tools like selective editing, masking, and cloud sync, you have to opt for a subscription. But the free version itself is also incredibly capable. Finally, let's talk about Pixart. This app brings fun, creative twist to photo editing. If Snapseed and Lightroom Mobile are about precision and polished results, Pixart is where you let your imagination run wild. It's not just a photo editor, it's more of an all-in-one creative toolkit designed for people who want to experiment, customize, and have fun with their content. So whether you're into bold filters, artistic effects, creative collages, or meme making, Pixart has something for everyone. So, first off, it has filters and effects. It's really packed with creative filters and effects that lets you transform your photos with just a few taps. From trendy styles like glitch, VHS, and sketch effects, to bold colors and double exposures, there's no shortage of options that make your photos pop. And the best part is that most of these effects are customizable, so you can adjust the intensity, blend them, and layer multiple effects for something truly unique. It also has stickers and overlay. Pixart offers a massive library of stickers, overlays, and graphic elements to enhance your photos. Whether you want to add playful emojis, text bubbles, or aesthetic doodles, these options are endless. You can also create your own stickers using the cutout tool, which lets you isolate parts of an image and save them as custom stickers to reuse later. This is perfect for adding a personal touch to your creations. It also has a collage maker, so if you love putting together collages, Pixart has one of those best collage tools out there. You can combine multiple photos, choose from creative grid layouts, and customize them with backgrounds, text, and effects. It's a fantastic tool for creating Instagram stories, mood boards, or highlight reels with a polished and playful vibe. It also has a lot of drawing tools as well, which lets you freehand draw, add text, and create custom designs directly on your photo. You can use brushes, shapes, and layers, almost like a mini Photoshop right on your phone. Pixart also has AI-powered tools like background remover and object removal. With a single tap, you can isolate your subject, remove distracting elements, or replace the background with something completely different, perfect for fun, dramatic edits. Pixart is designed to be fun, intuitive, and overall beginner-friendly. The app interface is colorful and easy to navigate, so you can jump straight into editing without a steep learning curve. The tools are accessible with clear icons, and everything is designed for quick edits, whether you're adding effects, tweaking text, or blending layers. So if you're short on time or creativity, Pixart has that magic one-tap effects button, which applies eye-catching edits instantly. This app is perfect for creators who love playful, bold, or artistic edits. Social media enthusiasts that like to have a little bit more creativity on their platform will benefit from the templates and ease of use of Pixart. Casual creators, meme makers, and trendsetters will also benefit from Pixart's stickers, text tools, and overlays. So in short, if you want an app that's fun, versatile, and packed with creative tools, Pixart is for you. And while the free version of Pixart includes tons of features, there's also a premium option called Pixart Gold, which unlocks exclusive stickers, effects, and tools. But honestly, the free version is more than enough to get started and create some really cool standout edits. No matter what kind of creator you are, whether you're editing quick photos for social media, creating a cohesive aesthetic, or experimenting with artistic effects, there's something here with these apps for you. The best part is that all apps and a lot of their features are completely free to get started, so there's no excuse not to try them out to see which one fits your style. If you enjoyed this breakdown and got value from it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and drop a comment below letting me know which app is your favorite, or if there's another editor that you'd like me to review. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.